weed and then you smoke, but either way you got your shoes on when you wake up on your mattress. Damn, I'm tired of acting. Kids in my city's lives are vapid. We resort to Patrick Bateman reenactments. You love it, then you hate it, or you hate it, then you love it. Either way you gon' do it, cause none of us are above it. Yeah, I think too much. Well, I'ma stop thinking. I think I drink too much. I ain't gon' stop drinking. I'ma keep doing what I shouldn't do. You only live once, so fuck it and fuck you. If we fucking, I'll come through. Baby, what you giving up? I told her I'm that bad boy you've been looking for. Not really, but you sexy as hell. Okay, I'm a nice guy, you should stick with us. Smoking cigarettes, I got no regrets. I'm a boss man, they just don't know it yet. And what we do in my city is not thinking, just do. It's not them, it's just you. By ourselves, we've been doing the same shit forever. Well, let's start doing the same shit together. Yeah, things change once you end up acquainted. So let's keep doing the same shit. Let's keep doing the same shit. She told me, life is short, you should live it up. I told her, I'm the shit, you should stick with us. I called Stoy when they had me pissing in the cup. And then I quit till 420, I was in the cut. I got the title, and money